advisor. I'll be performing your eye exam today. The first thing I'm going to do is just check your pupils' responses to this light. So if you could just look straight ahead at me, I'm going to bring the light in to your field of vision. Good. Just looking straight ahead. Okay, wonderful. I'm going to put my hand here in the middle. And I'm just making sure that the eye which I am shining the light into is reacting properly to the light. And then I'm making sure that the other eye is also reacting, even though it doesn't have the light being shone into it. Your eyes should be communicating with each other, so both eyes react. Okay, so that all looks fine. I'm now going to just switch between your left eye and your right eye. Left and the right. I'm going to come a bit closer so I can see a bit better. Left, the right, left, the right, the left, and the right, the left, and the right. Okay, excellent. Now, what I want you to do is just look straight ahead at my nose. I'm going to use a slightly more powerful light now. And actually, let's do this test first of all with the dimmer light, and then we'll move on to the more powerful light. So I want you to look straight ahead at my nose, and I'm going to bring the light into your field of vision, and I just want you to tell me when you can see it, okay? Good. 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 Very good. 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 Okay. Now, I'm going to use this brighter light as well. So I'm going to show you this light and this light. You can see that this light is a bit brighter. So let's call this the dim light, and this one will be the bright light, okay? And I'm going to bring one of the lights into your field of vision, and I want you to tell me if it is dim or bright, okay? Good, it's bright. Good. 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 Okay. Good. 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 Well done. Very good. Now, I'm going to ask you to keep looking straight ahead at my nose. This time, I'm going to move the light away and out of your field of vision. And I want you to tell me when you can't see the light anymore, okay? So looking at my nose. Good. 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 And the same thing, but with two lights now. Keep looking ahead at my nose. Tell me when you can't see the lights anymore. Okay, good. Good. Okay, good. 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 Okay, wonderful. Okay, I'm just going to take a few notes with my unicorn pen here. So, did the vision. Okay, excellent. Now, we're going to practice some eye tracking. So I want you to look directly at the light now, and I want you to just follow it with your eyes. I'm going to begin by going left to right, and up and down, and some spontaneous movements now. We will do this first with this dimmer light and then move on to the brighter light to give your eyes a chance to acclimatize. Okay, good. Let's move on to the brighter light. So again, I'll begin by going from side to side. And up and down. Before making some more spontaneous and unpredictable movements. Okay. Good, you're doing very well. Following the light. Okay, good. I'll let your eyes have a short rest. Okay. I'm going to make a shape with the light, and I want you to tell me what shape it is, okay? So here it is. What shape was that? It was a square, good. And this one, what shape? Good, it's a triangle. What shape? Good, it's a circle. Now, can you tell me if the circle is getting bigger or smaller? Okay, good. And now, what is the circle doing? It's getting smaller, okay. Can you please focus on the circle once more? Good. And can you tell me when it changes direction? Good. Good. Good job. Well done. Okay. Now, with this brighter light, I'm going to move the light from side to side, and I want you to tell me when the light is at its brightest, when it is shining directly into your eyes. Okay? Good. So, looking at the light, tell me when it appears the brightest. Good. Once more. Okay. Good. Good. Okay, good. Let's do the same with going from top to bottom. Okay, good. 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 Going on the diagonal now. Okay, good. Good. Mm-hmm. Good. Okay. Excellent. Well done. So the letters. Okay. Good. Now I'm going to write a letter with the light, and I want you to just tell me what letter I'm writing. Okay. So I'll write it again. What letter was that? It was an A. Good. The next letter. One more time. Okay, what letter was that? Good, that was an S. The next letter. One more time. Good, that was an M. And the final letter. One more time. That was the letter R. Excellent, well done. Okay, good. Now, I want you to follow the light and please ignore my finger. So just don't get distracted by the movement of my finger and just follow the light. Good. You're doing very well. Let's try with the brighter light. It's a little bit more powerful. So once again, just following the light and not following my finger. Good. And now following my finger and ignoring the light. Good. That's it. Don't get distracted by the movements of the light. Just focusing on my finger. Okay, well done. Okay. Let's do the same thing but with 2 lights, okay? It's going to be quite bright. I want you to first of all follow the dimmer light and ignore the brighter light, okay? So you're following this light right here and ignoring this light right here. That's it. Good. Okay. Now let's switch so you can focus on this light and ignore this light. Good. Okay. Very well done. Good. Excellently done. Okay. The eye tracking and switching focus. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to place my hand over your eyes, and when I take my hand away, then I want you to look at the light wherever it is in your field of vision. Okay, so just find the light and look at it. Good. Good. Look at the light. Good. Look at the light. Good. Look at the light. Good. I'm going to try with the dimmer light. It might be a little bit more difficult to spot. Look at the light. Okay. Look at the light. Look at the light. Good. Look at the light. Look at the light. Look at the light. And look at the light. Good. Okay. Now, I want you to look at the light, and I'm going to show a different number of fingers on this hand. I want you to tell me in your peripheral vision how many fingers I am holding, but keep looking at the light. Okay, so looking at the light, how many fingers? Good, it's 3. How many fingers? It's 2. How many fingers? Yep, it's 5. How many fingers? This is 2, well done. How many fingers? This is 1. How many fingers? That's 3. How many fingers? It's 4. Well done. Let's try on the other side and with the brighter light. So, okay. How many fingers? Good, it's 4. How many fingers? That's 2. How many fingers? That's 1. How many fingers? Good, it's 5. How many fingers? That's 2. How many fingers? Okay, that's 1. Good. Now, can you look straight ahead at my nose? Can you look at my finger? And can you look at the light? Look at my nose, look at the light, look at my finger. Look at my nose, look at the light, look at my finger, look at my nose, look at the light. Look at my nose, look at my finger, look at the light. Look at my finger, look at my nose, look at my finger, look at the light. Look at my nose, look at the light. Look at my finger, look at my nose, look at the light. Look at my finger, look at my nose, look at the light. Look at my nose, look at the light, look at my nose, look at the light, look at my finger, look at my nose, look at the light, look at my finger, look at my nose, look at the light, look at my nose, look at my finger. Good. Now I'm going to call this light, let's call this light number 1 and this light number 2. When I tell you 1, I want you to look at this light. When I tell you 2, I want you to look at this light. And when I tell you look at my nose, I want you to look at my nose. Look at my nose, look at number 1, look at number 2, look at my nose, look at 1, look at 2, look at 1, look at my nose, look at 2, look at 1, look at 2, look at my nose, look at 1, look at 2, look at my nose, look at 1, look at my nose, look at 1, look at my nose, look at 2, look at my nose, look at 1, look at 2, look at my nose, look at 1, look at 2, look at 1, look at 2, look at my nose, look at 2, look at 1, look at 2, look at my nose, look at 2, look at 1. Good job. Okay, you're doing very well. Okay, blink a few times to have a little rest for your eyes. Good. Now, I just want you to follow my finger, and I'm just going to have a look into your eyes as you do this. So I'm just going to shine the light into your eyes and just ignore it and follow my finger. Okay, I'm just going to get quite close to see while you do this. Just following my finger and ignoring the light. Good. Okay, good. Okay, and I'm coming in on the other side. Okay, wonderful. Now I will let your eyes have a rest. You've done very well. How do your eyes feel after that? They feel somewhat tired. Yeah, that's normal. Okay, well, I can't see any issues with that. I think everything looks in tip-top shape and condition. I will just let your eyes have a rest for a while longer now, because the bright lights can be quite taxing on your eyes. So please now feel free